Hello V people, this is Cody DeArkland, Systems Engineer at VMware and blogger with thehumblelab.com. I wanted to take you through a demonstration of a pretty cool blog post I've been working on around giving my lab environment a voice of its own. We're going to use the Amazon Echo, Python, specifically the Flask and flask-ask modules, as well as VMware's native REST APIs within vCenter 6.5 and vRA's Automation 7.3 to do some pretty cool things with voice control. We're going to jump straight into our demo. Let's go ahead and start up ngrok, which we'll use to build our tunnel to our local host where our Python, Flask, and flask-ask modules are running. To start ngrok, we'll do ngrok http 5000 to map back to our localhost 5000 port, as we can see here. We need to capture this URL and drop it into our Amazon Echo skill that we're building called Control Center. We're using an invocation name of Gideon, and anyone who gets that reference is pretty cool in my book. I'm going to switch over to the configuration tab. We'll drop that URL in here to replace the old URL that I was testing with. Check to see it's enabled. Great, it's running. Now we'll drop into Python and we're going to go ahead and start our Python server, which is now running on localhost 5000, which ngrok is pointed to. We're going to keep Python and ngrok running in the front as we run through this demo, just so we can watch the responses and see what we get back. Alexa, start Gideon.
Gideon is online.
Build Windows.
A Windows 2012 server build has been requested.
Build CentOS.
A CentOS server build has been requested.
Build Nginx.
Nginx server build has been requested.
Report data stores.
You currently have 2 data stores. The current free data store space on each in gigabytes is 63,550.
Report health.
The current health of the cluster is green.
Report memory usage.
You have provisioned 90.0 gigabytes of memory.
Count my virtual machines.
The total number of virtual machines registered in this vCenter is 17.
Abort.
Gideon shutting down.
All right. There you have it. You've seen us call several vCenter 6.5 REST APIs to get simple data back. You've also seen us call the vRA's Automation APIs to call catalog items, which ultimately built machines. If we pop into vRA's Automation and hit our Request tab, you can see several builds are currently in progress. You can see all within the past couple of minutes were ones that I started building as part of this demonstration. If you're interested in finding out how all of this came together and how this was built, there should be a blog post either below this video or posting imminently on thehumblelab.com where I talk about how we take Flask and Python and build out these REST API calls, then map them back to our Amazon Echo and enable that voice communication. I'm really looking forward to some of the comments, questions, and what the community starts to do as we pull this together. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it and look forward to catching up with you guys soon.